welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic. I know it's been a minute since I last uploaded, but here we are today with a brand new video. So today's video is going to focus on mainly doing a flawless foundation routine that would be ideal for a daytime look, but also ideal for the golden hour look. For those of you that don't know what the golden hour is, it's that time of day when I think you can take the best selfies. It's just after the sun starts setting, before it gets too low. It casts a really nice orangey, yellowy hue on your skin that makes it literally look golden. So if you've got highlight on, it just makes that highlight pop even more. It makes your skin tone look even. It just makes your selfies look good and flawless and just perfect. Before we get into this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions for me to try, please let me know. You can follow me on my social media pages. My Twitter, my Snapchat, and my Instagram are all below. So if you want to connect with me, chat with me, DM, whatever you like, you can do that below. Let's not waste any time. Let's get right into this golden hour tutorial. So my skin has already been prepped and primed and my brows have been done already. So I'm going to go straight into color correcting using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange. I'll be applying that to the dark areas on my face, and using a blending sponge, I'll be blending that out. Next, I'll be using the Mayi Cosmetics flat foundation brush and flat concealer brush to apply my foundation and concealer. I'll start off by dotting the foundation all over my face, and I'll be using the flat foundation brush to apply it more evenly. Don't worry guys, any products I forget to mention, I will make sure I list them in the description box below. Next step is highlighting and contouring. To highlight under my eye, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze, and I'll just be applying that straight from the bottle underneath my eye. I will also be applying the concealer to the bridge of my nose, just above my jawline, and just a little bit on my forehead to highlight those areas as well. Now using the Mayi Cosmetics flat concealer brush, I'll be spreading the concealer a bit more evenly around those areas. To give the concealer a smoother finish, I'll be going over the concealed areas with a blending sponge. Using a Real Techniques setting brush, I'll be applying Mercier translucent powder to all the areas that have the concealer to set it. While the concealer bakes, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Mahogany to contour underneath my cheekbones and on the bridge of my nose. Then I'll use a blending sponge to blend out the concealer until there are no more harsh lines. Next, for eyeshadow, I'll be using this brown color from the Morphe 350M palette, and using a blending brush, I'll be applying that all over my crease and my brow bone. The eyeshadow appears nude on my skin tone, and it adds a subtle depth to the eyelid. From the same palette, I'll be taking this orange color, and using the same blending brush, I'll be applying that on my lid and blending it into my crease. The orange gives the eyelid a subtle warmth. Next, from the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, I'll be taking the color Calavera and applying that onto my lid using a shading brush. Then I'll be taking the same blending brush as I used earlier and blending that into my crease. The yellow adds a subtle pop of color. To finish off the eyes, I'll be applying these lashes from AliExpress, and using Ardell lash glue, I'll be applying a thin layer to the base of the lash and then apply using my fingers, getting it as close to the lash line as possible. The trick is to wait until the glue is just about to start drying when it is nice and tacked, so it doesn't slide all over the place when you're trying to apply it. Next, using the Mayi Cosmetics powder brush, I'll be buffing off the remaining setting powder. Next, I'll be taking MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the color Dark Golden, and using the same powder brush, I'll be dusting this all over my face. To highlight, I'll be using Makeup Revolution London Baked Bronzer in the color Rock On World, and using an e.l.f. highlighter brush, I'll be applying this to the high points of my cheeks. I'll also be applying the baked bronzer to the bridge of my nose, under the arch of my brow using a very small shader brush, and onto my cupid's bow. Using an eyelash curler, I'll be curling the lashes just a bit more to make them really stand out. For my lips, I'll be combining NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Dubai and Nicka K Lip Shine in the color Sheen. I'll start by applying the lip cream all over my lips. Then I'll go over the lip cream with the lip shine to give it that glossy finish. And last but not least, we are setting with MAC Fix Plus. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!